YouTube? It's me, Unique, here with another video on the spring twist. So I know y'all like, well, the last video you said you were gonna take your hair down. Yeah, I did take my hair down, and guess what? This is the same exact hair. In this video, I am about to show y'all how I basically washed my spring twists and I reused them. That is the best. That is the best thing about the crochet method. You know, I've seen all the other methods and they're great, and I commend everybody who has attempted this hairstyle or who has done this hairstyle themselves, because it is very time consuming. But the crochet method, like, it came in handy because guess what? I ain't retwist. Girl, it took me so long to twist these to begin with. I didn't retwist these. No. So if you all want to see the crochet method being washed, and before I jump to the rest of the video, yes, I'm aware that this is synthetic hair. Okay, I am aware that this is synthetic hair. However, my family, aka my subscribers, I wanted to be able to pass this information on to them, so that way y'all know. Look honey, when you take them down, put a little shampoo, a little conditioner, good as new. And I'm not playing, y'all. This is the same hair. The same hair. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all jump right into the video. Okay, yeah, I wanted to show you all how I take down my hair and how simple it is. I actually only do one night when I do my crochets, because it's easier to take down. As you can see, I just grab that one strand at the base and then basically just pull it through and take it out. It's really simple. But y'all see all the new growth from the last time that I actually had these in. Okay, so you take the hanger that we broke the last time to prepare the hair. So we're going to take that again, and we're going to use some cord that's called Stretch Magic that you use for jewelry making. You can find it at Joann's, and I'll also have a link for it in the description box below. You're going to also need some tape. And then pretty much you're going to take the cord and you're going to cut that slightly longer than the actual length of the hanger rod, or whatever you want to call it. So once you get that, what you're going to do is you're going to take the tape, and you're going to need 2 pieces of tape. And you're going to take the end of that string that you cut, of the cord that you cut, and you're going to level it up with the end of the hanger, and you're going to take that down. And then for the other end, the excess, you actually leave the excess off and you still tape at the end. So there's going to be part of the cord that's hanging off. And everything's going to make sense really soon. So once you get done with that, you're going to either take this to the table or hold it in your hand or whatever in order to feed the hair onto the actual rod itself. Now once you get the hair, and you'll see, only thing you're going to do is just basically open back up the loop, and then you're going to feed it onto this. I promise this is going to make sense once I get done. This is one of the methods or whatever that I use in order to get the hair on this bundle that I wanted to have. And I also wanted to show you, this is hair that I've already used. So of course it looks a little frizzy, it looks a little raggedy, but that's pretty much what you're doing. You're feeding it onto the stick, so that way you can take it off and you'll have a bundle. Now when you open these up, sometimes they come untwisted. The only thing you have to do is twist it back and it'll be back tight. That's simple. Once you've gotten enough on there, this is what you're going to do. This is why I did this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the end of those strands. You can pull them right out of the tape. It comes right from up under the tape. And once you pull those out, what happens is you just slide that, you hold the wire, and then you slide it right off that hanger, and then you basically got a bundle, and the only thing you need to do is knot it. So that way when you're washing it, you know, you ain't got to worry about a whole bunch of strands being everywhere or using a rubber band to put them together. This to me was an okay way to do this. Then after so long, I really got tired of using that hanger. So then I'm like, well, maybe I can just feed the string through. And you can take the strands of hair and put them on your finger. Same amount of strands, where you just measure it out and you cut it. Not strands, but same amount of string. Cut it, measure it, whatever. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the crochets and then you're going to put them on your finger, or you can just feed the cord directly through the loop. So that way you get another bundle. And it really doesn't, it matters, but it doesn't matter as long as you get them on the loop, so that way you can wash them and keep them all together is what really matters. Okay, now we're getting ready to go ahead and start washing. You're going to use warm water, not too hot, not too cold. And you're going to wet the whole bundle. Yep, it's another time where I'm stopping the video to ask you, have you subscribed? Yep, this is what we do on this channel. My family already know what's up because they already subscribed. They used to this, and I want to thank you. Even if you're not subscribed, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, because there are other videos on YouTube. There are videos everywhere in the social media world that you could be watching, but you're watching my video, and I appreciate that. But I would appreciate you even more if you would subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm asking nicely. Can you subscribe to my channel? You're gonna want to see more. I got some good stuff coming up. And to my current subscribers, and when you do subscribe, know that I do appreciate you. But what I need from you all, I need you all to comment below and tell me, what do you want to see from me? I need to know, what looks are you looking for? What do you need help with? I need you to put that in the comments below. Please tell me what you want, so that way I can make my videos based off what my subscribers are looking for, you know, along with content that I also want to do. You know, well, I'm not gonna do nothing I don't want to do anyway, but if you're looking for something specific, I can't say that word, but if you're looking for it, put it in the comments below. All right, y'all, back to the video. Okay, so once you wet the hair, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shampoo. Now, the shampoo that I use is my favorite shampoo that I use on my own hair. One of the products I use on my own hair, and I'll have a link for that below. You can also purchase that from Amazon as well. And yeah, what you're gonna do is I put shampoo basically on both sides, and you don't have to saturate this in shampoo. I honestly did this to test it out to see exactly what the results would be, how the twist would look. But you don't have to saturate it, and you don't have to roughly do it. Just pull your hands over it enough to coat it and, you know, get a slight lather. Because what I was afraid of is if I lathered it too much, that the twist would start coming down, you know, but they didn't. So once you lather it up, then you're going to rinse it, like I said, with cool, warm water. Not too hot, not too cold. And you're going to do the same thing for the conditioner. And I didn't use, like I said, I didn't use a lot of product. I used enough just to coat it a little bit. Once you coat it and then you rub your hands through it, spread out the product, then you rinse it off again. Now you're going to take that hanger that you had, that hanger that you originally broke it from. Now this is a different color because I use multiple hangers. But you're going to take that, since you have that stretch magic or that stretch cord, you can put that over the hanger to spread it out so it'll dry faster. Now, how long did it take to dry? I actually let mine dry overnight, so I don't have an exact time. I just hung them up the night before, and then the next day I redid my hair. So that's all 3 bundles, and that's all the hair that I had in my head. And I hung them up in the shower. Okay, now for the install, you can check out the original video for more details, but the only thing that I really did different was I had 14 braids on the original video. On this one, I had 13, and I did the curved part. I wanted to see how it would look with a curved part, because that's how I usually wear my hairs, to the side. Now, mind you, I did not put any other product or anything like that on the hair besides that shampoo and condition and letting it dry. I didn't use any oil, anything like that at all. And now we're going to go to installing the hair. And if you want more details on installing the hair, then check out the original video, and that is in the description box below. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm trying to make it a little bit fuller, but I also use She Is Bomb Edge Control, and I got my little handy dandy toothbrush. Don't be afraid to use that product, y'all, and a comb, okay? And there's my edges, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted y'all to know that, sis, it can be done. You can wash them, okay? And you can reuse this hair. They look brand spank new if you ask me. Okay, y'all, thanks so much for watching. I hope I provided all the information. Like I said, look, wash your hair, sis. You know what I'm saying? Niece, wash your hair, okay? Use this hair all over again. I do want to say again, leave me a comment letting me know what are you all looking for. What do you all want to see from me, so that way I'm making sure I'm making content that you all enjoy. Also, I'm going to Vegas. All right, y'all, I'm going to Vegas. Carly, stop with the tripod. Come on now. We've been good for the last couple videos. Don't do that. I'm going to Vegas at the end of November. Let me know what y'all want to see, because I'm vlogging the whole trip. If you ain't never been to Vegas, let me know what you want to see. If you have been to Vegas, leave me some recommendations in the comments. Everything else will be in the description box below. All the product links, video links to the previous videos. And that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. If you are subscribed, you know I appreciate you, and look forward to more content coming from me. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.